Psychological abuse. I tiptoed around so I didn't disturb your sleep. I threw away all of my memories to make room for those you wanted to keep. You clipped my wings so I couldn't fly away, but you looked at me with hatred because I had no choice but to stay. I made myself smaller so I didn't take up your space. I curled myself into a ball with tears streaming down my face. You put the blame on me every time you committed a crime. You pointed the finger at me and told everyone the weapons were mine. I was an accessory to you in all of your fraud. To the world you were perfect, so I figured I was the one who was flawed. You kept bleeding me dry until I was drained of all life. I felt the pain in my back, but you convinced me there was no knife. I survived on just the breadcrumbs you left leading me back to you. You told me the gaslight was on, but it was too dark to see it wasn't true. You didn't have to tie me down or keep me chained to the wall. You just kept me thinking I needed you, even though you'd never catch me when I'd fall. I was so busy with your needs I barely had time to shower, but my brain was washed clean and I handed over all of my power. You tell me it was my choice, that I was too comfortable to leave, that I should have faced the real world and not lived in your land of make-believe. But is it really a choice when you're surrounded by lies? When you've lost faith in yourself to know who are the good or bad guys? So I choose to live in my tower, waiting for a reason to let my hair down. From here I can see our kingdom is falling. To survive, I've had to sell off my crown. I locked myself away in my prison, hoping you'll confess to all you did wrong. But the longer I sit here, I fear it was really my fault all along.